So this is ripe banana that I'm matching together. As you can see the way I'm matching it, so that it will have lump, no doubt, but you have to match it. For those that has mixer, you can use your mixer to do it. Like those that makes cake, you can use your mixer to do it. Match it very well for the lump to be at least not too much. Then after that, then you add your salt, a bit of salt, a bit of granulated pepper, and a bit of sugar to taste. Because of the video, I cannot be saying all that because it's long. So just go through the video, you see the process of the making. This is just small banana balls that I want to make. So please just go through the videos, you will see the process. Thank you.